In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location here is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and many numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see and list details like home size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. In category 3, the property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Yes, come to enjoy the surroundings. Pool can be for this property along with various legal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can tell us by commenting. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel,